Hello everybody, my name is Roberto and I'm the executive chef and co-director of AQUA Forte restaurant, a traditional Italian restaurant inside the Gold Fort, or better, the amazing Gold Fort. We opened the restaurant back in May this year, immediately after the terrible attacks that Sri Lanka experienced back in April. We decided to open the restaurant anyway. The main reason to show the country and to show the tourists that we don't have to give up in Sri Lanka. So we decided to open and we decided to work. And we're working together now after a few months of the terrible attack. Things are going better and better, and we really believe that soon the country will go back to the same situation that was before the attack. Because of this reason, we heard about this Sri Lanka is Positive initiative, and we are really proud to be part of it. And of course, now as an Italian restaurant, what we can offer to this initiative is to give to all our clients that are showing the quote, they are quoting the Sri Lanka is Positive, to offer our homemade gelato ice cream. We prepare it daily with different flavors, so just come over here, try our amazing food, and get your complimentary ice cream at the end of your lunch or dinner. So thank you very much, and even more important, keep being positive, and Sri Lanka is positive. Thank you very much.